Good day, everyone. I am Francis Estologa with Bryson Gatchalian and Vince Solis from BSIT 3D. Nowadays, more and more gamers have emerged due to the pandemic, and at the same time, the number of gamers is increasing online or offline. And now we will introduce to you our new game development that is made in 3D motion and a decision-making based program. So here is Bry for the introduction of our game.
So let's go ahead to our game. Uh, our game is online based, so it is a we uploaded the game on itch.io for now, so that so that other people can play it also. But for now, it is in still development phase, so it is not available yet. So let's start the game. So again, this is our game, 7 days. So the game gives you scenarios based on that current time, and then you as a player need to pick or choose a event so that you can progress the story. And each event you choose can affect your playthrough of the game. So let's talk about this first, the UI. This is our main menu.
Um, for the software, the developers use Unity. For context, Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies. Basically, it is a software that mainly focuses on constructing a game or system. Can be used to create a three-dimensional, two-dimensional games, and other simulation as well. Unity has many features that will help us developers to create and build the game we want to develop. So let's start the game.
So this our initial start of the game. And then as you can see, it is very responsive with the mouse. You can look around. The services are solid and you can walk on them. So let's progress. So okay. This the first thing you will see when you start the game. So welcome to 7 days. This game is still in development and does not reflect the final product. This only shows the main aspect of the game. Thanks for playing. So to start on, this is just a testing or demo of the game, and this only shows the main function of the game, and it can be improved later on. So let's progress.
Let's go.
So as you can see, there is a dialogue right below the screen. So our character name is Chammer. So where am I? What is this place? So as you can see, this is very random, right? Uh, you spawn right here, then we go down. So our camera style is first person, so you can see our model here. And then let's walk around. So this world is completely generated. You can walk on it, and then during the playthrough, our goal is to uh, allow the player to interact with many different objects. So for this demo, the storyline is somewhat linear, and it is only scripted in a way that uh, that a player can instantly finish it in one sitting. So the final product can involve randoming, and then there are different scenarios and such. So these are for example, the player sees a boat, and then as you can see, it is a solid and can be interactive. So let's move forward. As you can see, hello, is anybody home? There's a house here. Let's go see that. Hmm. See, the house is empty. So let's try to go inside. So this is where the decision making comes in. This is just a dialogue so that you can see that you can interact it for future purposes. So it says that the door is locked, so let's go back. So Francis can discuss on the textures and surroundings.
So next is the textures. The texture is made simple but thoughtful and em- embellished by the software we used. Like Vin Solis said that uh, the software we use is Unity, responsive and very easy to build a game. And we based the game on the theme solo adventure game. As you can see, it is a solo player character alone. And our made map seems to be abandoned and no one lives anymore. We also made a bad weather, as you can see from the start of the game, to better suit the ambience of the character to be alone. Yeah, like that. And next is the objects. As you can see, the objects are also made based on the abandoned place. Yeah, there is many shipwreck, abandoned house, uh, boats that are broken, and houses, and also a little dense forest on the other side of the map. And next is the scenes. The scenes is also originally made by our main game developer, which is Bryson Gatchalian. And each of the scenes has a unique pattern and description, especially because it is a decision-making game. Uh, like what you see a while ago, the dialogue you read, it's a pattern of the story, and from that you can puzzle up the decision making game.
This place is a bit eerie. Next, so let's go to the graveyard. Sheesh. So as you can see, we are still moving on the graveyard, and then again, there there could be many different scenarios happening here. There could be a random event that could happen. Then next, so a church. Let's see, Gloomsville Church. Monday book, Tuesday book, Wednesday book, Thursday book, Friday book, Saturday book, and Sunday book. How does a abandoned place have a church that is booked and even the church is empty? So as you can see in the game, there there are some simple background sounds when you enter a house or just move in the proximity. So I think yes, there's another event here. Again, just this just saying that there is a event here. Maybe there is a event sooner because it is maybe there could be a item here.
So the the game is also a wide range of a map, and players need to find the necessary equipment, especially the keys to open a lot of doors and boxes, and finish tasks to proceed to the next level, which is the day 2. So later on, Bryson will demo the gameplay, which I indicate the keys and the doors and other scenes to proceed.
So to follow up on the name 7 days. So we intended that per level or per world means 1 day. So if you did everything and then move to the second world, then you can no longer go back to this world because they already ended, and then you will go to the next level. So any events that you did not take or interacted will further affect the future days or future levels. So again, another strange object. What could this be? Let's see. So here's the front door of the building. Here we go. The first decision. So the door is jammed somehow. Maybe we could try to open it or no, and then the player just backs off. So let's try to open it. So it did nothing. Maybe there's another way. So maybe there is another way. Just like in the back door. So in the game, it is scripted to play the events this way. But in the final, there will be a lot more events that could trigger more before than this one. So another dialogue. Maybe there's something in this house. So let's look. Maybe there is something. So let's walk up here. Then all the inside of all the interiors are semi-furnished based on the abandonment of the house. So let's go here. And then go up here. And then let's move up here. So this what the first item you could interact or get. So this a key. Maybe this goes somewhere. So you could either not take the key or get the key. So after getting the key, there will be events that will be connected here or prerequisites that you need to get the key before triggering another event. So let's go get the key. So as you can see, the key vanished and you already got the key. So in the future, we will try to implement inventory system and minimap. So the player could easily see what item they have and where they are on the map. So this is the back door that I tell you to note about. This said that the door is jammed, but when we get the key, a new event triggers. So the door can be unlocked with that. Either we can go back or just open the key. So at last we open the door. So what will I find here? Again, there could be many events that could trigger here or items that could be found. And then C. So in this chair, there it says that there is a boat nearby. Use it by 137. So in this game, it says that there is a boat.
So by progressing the gameplay of the game, I will try to explain the user interface of the game. So as you can see earlier, the developers chooses a forest theme on the menu screen. The menu screen shows the name of the game, 7 days, with a logo and includes the start with the new game, settings of the game, and exit. As you can see earlier, there are many dialogue box in the timeline of the game. There are many interactive objects that is need for the storyline of the game. For the beta version of the game, the developers focus on interactive materials, objects, and also for the flow of the game. So for progress, let's go.
So we are here with the boat. So again, there is a boat. Maybe I can use it. So let's go try it. Let's go to the next world. Either way, you can go yes or no. So if you get no, then you will still play here and then complete any events that is still around. Or let's go try to go here. So let's try it and then yes. So now we are in the next scene, which is not completely scripted yet, but the world is almost finished. There is a road. some vegetations.
To sum it up, the game for now is just on beta version. So it only shows the aspects of the game, the basic flow of the storyline, and others. So there will be more features and progress in the future developments of the game.
So that's the game of 7 days, and we have a lot of things to improve, and we also hope that this game will finish as we finish also our college, our remaining years in college. And with that, again, good day and thank you for listening. That is our game, 7 days. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. And for the final part, let's go to a coded secret spot in this. So let let me just go skip ahead. So before we end, this just the secret part that we coded here. So let's go here upstairs, and then in the balcony there is a mirror. So what's this mirror? So let's go check it out. And then there is a about us. This is just a blank. So if you stand here, then there's Vince Gerald Solis, the documentator and the scene manager of the game. Then next is me, the main game developer and the level designer. Then lastly is Francis Angelo Esologa, which is the animation developer and the art director. So that's it. That's our game. Then hope you find it enjoying, and then hope we finish it and then develop it fully in the future. Thank you very much.